Sorry about the bad lighting, but this is another late night with my 81 CJ7. My previous video, I made a video of the mysterious clacking sound that's been doing. The thing is, lifters took them out. They all had a little wear on them, but nothing too concerning. And I was just reading up, watching a couple YouTube videos, and someone mentioned a piston slap. This motor was rebuilt at some point, but something's not right. If you see turning it over a little bit, just watch that one cylinder. Oh, let's do a ratchet. But it's not just that one cylinder. It's every single cylinder. Well, maybe not that one. But if you can see this, maybe holding it this way would be better. It's like cylinders, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5 all have piston slap, but 2, 3, 4 for sure. So I guess it's time to take it back into a shop, or maybe look for another block. We'll see what comes of this. And just when I thought I was going to get away with not having to do too much to it. Oh well. At least the paint polish is up